Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your character in Scratch move, do steps, and also say hello for the amount of time you wanted to say hello, or the amount of time, or just permanently say hello. So when you want to make your character move, step forward or something like that, you go to events first, then you take the green flag which signals a go over here. Then you go to motion and you select the move 10 steps block. This will enable your character to move 10 steps when you click the green flag. You can also change it to 5 steps, 10 steps, 20 steps, or even 100 steps. It can also go to as many steps as you want. But however, that will make your character go off the screen. See? Now you can only see the tail. So you have to make sure it's under at least 400, it's under at least a few hundred steps. So today we're going to be doing 50 steps. So once you fill that in, you press on the green flag, so it moves 50 steps. You can also put your character back where you want it, so now it will move 50 steps. If you want your character to say hello, you take the green flag again, and then you go to looks. You can select say hello, and then you can make it say hello YouTube. And then when you press the green flag, that will permanently have him saying hello YouTube. If you want your Scratch character to say it for a selected amount of time, you select the say hello for 2 seconds block. You can change it back to hello YouTube, and then you can change this amount to 5 seconds or any amount of seconds you want. So we're going to be doing 3 seconds. Now you see when I press the green flag, my Scratch character, sprite 1, will say hello YouTube for 3 seconds. Hello YouTube, 2, 3. Now it stops. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the 3 Titans. Bye!